We're live now, apparently, according to YouTube. So
nice one.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Good afternoon, everyone. Happy
afternoon, guys.
Yeah, so we're looking at number 10 there, which is actually a painting. Once again, guys, we're going to go straight in. That's it, guys. So there you go. That's our edit done on Jessica. So when you finish, guys, please make sure that you add the hashtag #WeAreMediaSavvy.
Untangle this nest of headphones. Who ties them?
Yeah,
like
I think it just happens, like naturally in your pocket, sort of thing. just the way it goes. I've double checked with the guys as well. They seem to be saying that the video's fine, so they can hear it all right. We just get
volume good, yeah. Nice one.
So you got that? You've got your headphones there, yeah. 2 seconds. Let me. Best laid plans there.
Well, that's it, mate. That's it.
Technical difficulty for you guys.
Technology. It was always going to be technical with me, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's the inception of playing a video within a video that's it's thrown us.
Yeah,
you were just testing the doorbell in the building, so we haven't got any visitors. It's just someone's having a fun time with the doorbell. And it's just pressing it over and over again, so yeah, you might have to deal with that for 5 or so minutes. I don't know what's happening. Oh, hang on, I can hear the door squeaking behind us. That doesn't sound good. Oh, that's me dad. He's PPE on. What's up? Okay, are you going to say see you later at the stream then?
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
See you later, Dad.
Thanks for interrupting, that was good. Anyway, there you go. That's me dad.
Awesome. That's one for the highlights.
Yeah.
See you later.
Have you had a guess on that one here, then?
Yeah, I have.
Number 3 then. The bigger your heart, the better. Is that true or is that false? So if you've got a really, really big heart, and I don't mean that you just have a lot of love and that you can share a lot of love. I mean physically big, like your heart's bigger than it should be.
Like a giraffe.
Yeah, in a human body. Is that better? True or false? Imagine.
I try not to, but yeah.
And here we have, in its natural habitat, the Giraffecus humanus.
There'll be another workout video as well, which Rob's made so kindly, and put a lot of blood, sweat and tears into that video, literally.
Legs up. Walk out, so we're going to go both hands flat on the floor, walk out into plank, and then back in, hit that legs nice and straight, just to float them up, so all coming from your back and your arms. Get that back flat, you don't want to let it stop that chin off that, chest out, chin up. Okay guys, so just up, back into cardio, so high knees on the squat. You joining in? No, he's not.
Tom Moore, he was going to walk. His aim was to walk 100 laps of 25 meters around his garden.
Yeah.
Obviously, he's walking with the assistance of a sort of. No, it's not a Zimmer frame, but I don't know what they're called. But basically, he's got one.
It's a frame, some kind of frame.
He's not. He cannot walk freely anyway, so it's difficult as it is for him. So. His original target was 1,000.
Was 1,000
grand. And I think he got that within. Yeah, so he set that a week ago, and then it almost reached 500,000 within that week.
So obviously there's been some development.
Yeah, so Captain Tom Moore raises more than £7 million for the NHS.
I mean, that is absolutely astounding, really.
Yeah. So I mean, every penny that we get, they deserve it. Everyone. hang on. Every penny that we get, they, the NHS, deserve every one of it, he said, as the total exceeded the 5 million mark. Right, so unless you've got anything else, Mel, or the cat's got anything to say.
No, I think he's good. He's probably going to attack us in a second, though.
Yeah, you'll come back next week and you'll just have like the big scratch across your face. Maybe it's the cat can get the spider.
In a week.
Yeah, maybe it's the cat can chase
Maybe.
the spider, to be fair. So, right, guys, thanks for coming along. Hope you've enjoyed it. Mel's getting done in by a cat now, so someone, I don't know, we'll make sure that she's alright.
It wasn't me, it was the cat.
Sure, whatever. We believe you. Okay, cool. Right, I'm gonna go eat that orange now.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.